Hello, guys, welcome to day 24 Bigom Monetization. Today, learn support vector machine. Support vector machine also supervised learning algorithm. It is also a method to separate data using a hypervision. It is very important part of support vector machine because they can classify data which category easily. Then hyperplans. Future features of SVM is uh, supervised learning algorithm, classification and regression algorithm. And SVM is also k kernel function. And also there are two types of SVM: linear SVM and also known as non-linear SVM. Let's come into PPT. A superconductor machine is a very powerful supervised learning algorithm. It is widely used in classification tasks. The main purpose of SVM is uh, finding optimal decision boundary that effectively separate data to belong to different classes. And then next. There are two types I also said in previous. There are two types: linear and non-linear. Linear SVM are also uh, suitable for data where straight line or hyperplane can be effectively separate the class. And non-linear SVM on another hand employ kernel function that transfer data into a high-dimensional space where linear separation becomes possible. It is the choice of SVM depend on nature of data and complex of decision boundary. Then the underlying principle of the SVM. SVM aim to find a hyperplane that maximize the margin between the data point of the different class and maximum margin. The maximum margin represent the distance between a hyperplane and the clo- closest data point of each class, known as support vector. And support vector also because they are directly influenced between uh, influence the position and original of the hypervision. Optimize separation by maximum the margin SVM achieve optimized separation and generalize making the less prone to overfitting. And next is separating hyperplane and margin and maximization. We are also talk about periods. You guys also listen carefully all and then solve the kernel function and non-linear separability and Keras function allow to SVM handle nonlinear separable data by transformation into a high, high dimensional space. Kernel kernel strings kernel function map to data into a high dimensional space while linear separation becomes possible. Transformational. It is transformation allowed to SVM to find the non-linear decision boundary into original space. An example common kernel function include a parametric kernel and radiance-based function and sigmoid kernel so on. And another is multiple class with SVM. SVM can handle multiple class problem with UVGS strategy. One versus reset and directed cycling graphs. You guys also read everything. And next is advantages and limitation of SVM: high dimensionality, non-linear separation, computational complexity, choice of kernels, and application of and use case is image, image, image recognition, text classification, and finance, etc. And let's come into. I also made a notes for you guys also read, which helping explain by mathematically. You guys also done. You can also read. And let's come into code editor. Wait a minute. Iris flower dataset. We can easily identify the difference between a flower in this dataset. We can load the dataset. It's helping by PD to uh, data frame, and you guys also see a column of the data set. Then we create a column of the target feature, and we can provide a condition. If target is 1, then return all the target is 1 column of the data set. And you can also assign a name of the target, such as Santosa vertically, and we can map all the data set like that TF0 to 0 to 50, 50 to 100, and 100 to so on. You can easily identify the difference between a category of dataset and so as, and here is the length of, and then we try to split in 10 test split and define all the table, drop the target and flower because we train, and y is also a target which column we can train and split, and we will call the SVM model help by the sklearn library, and your go the accuracy of very good and model predict is very well. Then you guys also see we can also use some different parameter to find they can provide a more accuracy, and you guys also see, and please you guys also subscribe and like